please don't trust all the things you see on with the technology or with the new era. The essential things, the important things is not that one. When you see the people smile, when you see the people, it's a fake life. It's not the real life.
Unzi bamfata ikiganza TV turabasuhuje. Nkuko mimenyereye uyu munsi twongeye kubazanira undi mutumirwa. Noneho twagiye hakurya y'amazi ibwota amasimbi tubazanira abandi bantu bagiye kutuganirira. Mbere rero yuko dukomeza kugira ikindi dukora nagira ngo basabe babanze batwibwire. Can you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Of course. Nice to meet you. I'm Niccolo Fiaschi. I came from Italy, and I'm here just at the beginning, just for have a little traveling. But I discovering some interesting thing that I would like to keep in touch. And in Italy I have a little farm, and where I work with all the kinds of vegetables, fruit, we do something like this. And we have a lot of chicken, and we do a lot of eggs. And I'm here in Kenya, Rwanda, in Rwanda for 2 months. For understand what I want to do in my life, and just for traveling.
Ati nitwa Niccolo nturutse mu Butaliyane naje gutembera mu Rwanda ariko mu Butaliyane kandi mfiteyo umurima ndahinga nkorora dufite inkoko nyinshi cyane nishimiye kubana namwe. Thank you, Nicholas, for introducing yourself to the viewers. Can you shortly tell us about your biography, if possible?
Of course. I'm born in Italy, in the city of Prato, 15 kilometers to Florence. And I was born there, and I still live there. I was studying photography, half photography, half informatics, in between Prato and Florence. I'm 27 years old, and I ever work in agriculture. Yes, because I have studied other things, but my passion and my work is that, and I hope I will do that for the entire of my life. And this is what I've done still now.
Navukiye mu Butaliyane ahitwa Florence. Mfite imyaka 27 y'amavuko, nize ibijyanye rero n'ubukameramani, photography, ariko nza kwisanga ndi gukora ibijyanye n'ubuhinzi. Urumva ibyo nize n'ibyo nkunda bisa naho bitandukanye, ariko byose ntacyo bintwaye. Nicholas, what are your hobbies?
My first hobby is agriculture. Yes, it's my work, but when I work, I do that for work, but it's also my hobby when it's possible, and also when I travel, I like to go to visit farm place where the agriculture is done like I like, and I like so much football. AC Milan is my team, and I like to go out with my friends. I like to do a lot of sport. Yes, my day is better when I do sport. I like to run. I like to do jogging. I like to play football and volleyball. I like to read. There is no one thing that I like to read, but a lot of things.
Thank you. Tumubajije rero ibyo akunda, atubwiye ko akunda cyane cyane ubuhinzi n'ubworozi, agakunda football. Ikindi rero nkunda no gusoma ibitabo, nkakunda kwirukanka, siporo yo kwirukanka, jogging, n'utundi. Rero muri makeya urebye nibyo ngibyo atubwiye akunda. Nicholas, you have traveled maybe in Rwanda, not in all places, but you traveled. You have seen how Rwandan youth are living, what they do. how have you seen Rwandan youth?
Yeah, this is a good question because it's not easy to have an exact idea about it. I've seen a different kind of it in Rwanda's youth. I've seen this kind of Rwandan youth, the university where the people is studying, Salesian studying. I have seen the people, the youth in the village, that it's a little bit different than here. They don't have all this. I've seen the city. I've seen a lot of youth, but I have no exact idea about it. So what I thought is that the people here is more like it than they think. And because there are a lot of simple things that they could appreciate, they could live every day, and for me, for my thing is the essential of the life, this kind of life, and I would. To share with them my experience and tell to that the important things is the easy things, is not what they can see through a phone or through the TV or through a lot of things. This is what I see. The people don't have a lot of things, but they have the essential things, and for me it's very important.
Natembereye mu Rwanda nitegereje imibereho y'urubyiruko, nabonye uko babaho nuko twe tubayeho bitandukanye, ariko inama nabagira nuko kubaho neza su kugira ibintu bihambaye, ahubwo kubaho neza no kwifashisha ibyo ufite bikaguteza imbere. Muri make nuko nabasha kubisobanura, yavuze ibintu byinshi ngajya ngenda mbabwira muri make kuko mbivuze byose uko bireshya ntabwo ikiganiro twaza kukirangiza. Nicholas, here in Rwanda, youth have the problem of unemployment. Is it the same case in your country?
Yes, we have a big problem with unemployment, but it's a little bit different like this because it's a little bit different. The people in my country have access to the food. Is what they need, what they are looking for is not the essential thing. But it's the same. The unemployed is a problem, and I think will change a lot of things in a few time in Rwanda, because Rwanda is changing very, very fast. So different from the Italy, because we are not changing we are changing very fast, but not like here. So I hope that in Rwanda, if you want to change your life and go to do a normal work for the Occidental idea, in a few period it will be possible.
Rero tumubajije ikibazo kijyanye n'ibura ry'akazi ku rubyiruko, atese iwanyu mu Butaliyani naho niko bimeze cyane rwose, niko bimeze naho hari ikibazo cyo kubura akazi, gusa wenda aho bitandukaniye na hano mu Rwanda nuko iwacu umuntu abona ibyo kurya ku buryo bumworoheye, ikintu umuntu ashaka arakibona, ariko kubona akazi ku rubyiruko naho ni ikibazo. Icyo mbona no kitandukana nuko u Rwanda ruratera imbere cyane, ibintu birimo birihuta bitera imbere ku buryo ibyo urubyiruko rushaka ruzabigeraho, bitandukanye no mu Butaliyani nta mpinduka zihari ubona zijyanye n'iterambere ziri kugenda zihinduka nk'uko ubona mu Rwanda ibintu biguruka biri ku muvuduko byihuta cyane w'iterambere. We are about to finish our interview. I would like now to come to questions related to St. John Bosco, the oratory, things like that. Do you know St. John Bosco?
Of course I know John Bosco.
So what do youth can learn from him?
They can learn the most important thing is the youth. They are living the most important time of his life, time of own life, and to stay with each other is the life. It is the essential of the life.
tumaje rero nibazi Yohani Bosco muri z'urubyiruko tugiye pamuzi amatumubaza ese niki urubyiruko rwakugira kuri Don Bosco aravuga ati ikintu cya mbere nuko yakundaga urubyiruko natwe rero tugomba gukunda urubyiruko twarufasha mu bintu bitandukanye. Nicholas, what else can you share with the viewers?
This is not an easy question. I can share. Please, don't trust all the things you see with the technology or with the new era. The essential things, the important things, is not that one. When you see the people smile, when you see the people, it's a fake life. It's not the real life. Don't think that the Occidental, the European people are doing the best life possible, because it's not the truth. This is just what they can share with you, and so they want to share the beautiful things or what they think it's beautiful. Look the world, go around the world, but stay here and preserve your culture. That is what I share with our viewers.
Tumaje rero ikindi kintu yasangiza abakunzi ba Mfata Ikiganza TV aragira ati rero ibintu byose mubona kuri social media, ibintu byose mubona ku mbuga nkoranyambaga bitembera buriya ntabwo ari bwo buzima, mujye mubireba nibyo ariko mwitonde kuko biriya ntabwo ari ubuzima, ahubwo hariho ibinyoma byinshi bishaka kuyobya abantu. Rero mujye mubigendera kure mubirebe ariko mubirebane ijisho ryo gushishoza. Turamushimiye rero kuba yemeye kubana natwe muri iki kiganiro, tunamusaba ko bishobotse yazagaruka akongera akatuganira. We are very happy of receiving you and receiving your interview. We tell you thank you, and we welcome you again if you want on the camera of Mfata Ikiganza TV.
You are welcome. Thank you so much, you too. Murakoze
cyane.